Oh, hi everyone. Just a quick recap from our last training. So we discussed Kaseya VSA. We went to system. What it didn't really show you last time is you also have your system preferences. And in there you can set your email address. So this is the email address where you can receive all your notifications and other stuff that the VSA will send you. Also, there is this last function visited. So that means when you log out, it will go back to the previous one, or you can select any of the pages, your favorite page in here. Mine is actually agent, manage agent, so I'm just going to put that on there. You can also use compact navigation, handy on phones. Not that's the best UI for phones, but at least this section you have rollovers in Kaseya, and this sets the timeout or how long it takes to or delay before. So you might want to change this. Very importantly, the time zone. So do you want to use the time zone of your browser, the VSA, which is set to UK time or GMT, or you can set a fixed. Typically just leave it on browser. If you schedule procedures, just make sure that you are, or tasks, agent procedures or tasks, that's another session. So you can actually use the, it will use the agent time. So wherever the machine is, it will just always run at the time that you schedule it to be. There's other languages. I think they support all these now. Oh, there's a few more since last time. And you definitely want to set this setting here. So you want to see the full name of the agent, otherwise it cuts it off. So I always set that up. In case that you want to reset all your UI settings, you can just click on default and it will all reset to the default, and then you can start again. You can also change your password in here. I wouldn't use security questions, they're in plain text, but maybe you do need to. I'll find out. You have 2FA now, so I'm not too worried about it. I'll skip these when we talk about agent procedures. So, excuse me. Last time we talked about orgs, groups, departments, and staff, and we kind of agreed that the best practice is. So this is an example of your, I guess, your own organization. So we would create an organization for each customer if you're an MSP, or if you are a bigger company, an enterprise, you probably put everything under your own organization. You can also create sub-organizations. So you can actually set to say, okay, make this organization the parent, so you can now create more countries or offices. And then we have the machine groups. Unfortunately, you can't put the agents or the machines into the organizations directly, so we need to use machine groups. And the way we do it, our product, we create a group for managed machines and unmanaged. So M for managed, and then put in we go more specific workstation servers. So that's a very good way of managing your agents, because then you can create scopes for them. So these are scopes. So we have the masters. These are the default scopes. For example, let's just create a new scope. Let's see. I will only want to see the machines within. Oh, let's do capitals. That looks better. Oh, it's just a big lorry going by. We call them trucks, right? So we have scopes here. So I just created a new scope. And what we can do is we can add a whole organization. So I'm just going to do MSP Builder. But you can also say, oh, maybe I only want to see the workstations or servers. And you can also do individual machines. Maybe you want to have a subcontractor, you want to give them access to a server for a day. You can also create scopes for individual machines. I'll make myself a member. There we go. So now I can see that. Now you can't really see the roles and scopes when you change them. You have to log out to log in again. And that's really it for this short video. I'm hoping on Wednesday, tomorrow. Is it tomorrow? I'm getting a bit confused working US time. Yeah, tomorrow. I'll probably go to agent deployment. If you haven't done already, please, if you can, fill in the survey. I will send the results to everybody, so you can see what everybody likes. But only 2 people so far have filled in. I'll send the link in the email. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on Wednesday.